If you manage dashboards with several gadgets, configuring each one individually takes time. Dashboard Hub's Bulk Update JQL lets you apply a single JQL query or filter to all your compatible gadgets at once, right from the dashboard header. If you are duplicating a dashboard for a new sprint, space, or team, instead of opening each gadget's settings, you update them all at once. It's also useful for setting up new dashboards from a template. Start by clicking Edit on your dashboard. Then click Bulk Update JQL in the top bar. You'll see a JQL input field appear at the top of the dashboard. Compatible gadgets are highlighted with a blue border and selected by default. The input field lists the queries and filters already applied to your gadgets, so you can select one as a starting point or type a new query. You can also select a save filter if one is available for your Jira data source. Click Preview to validate your query and see the results across your gadgets. If you don't want to update a specific gadget, just clear its checkbox. To return to your dashboard edit view and refine individual gadgets, click Cancel. When you're happy, click Apply, then Save. Your JQL now applies across all selected gadgets. If your dashboard has multiple slides, repeat the process for each slide.